Today, we're exploring the top 5 best earwax removal drops on Amazon, trusted by thousands, tested for real results, and designed to bring back that crystal clear sound you've been missing. Let's dive in. Our top pick is Debrox, Amazon's #1 bestseller. With over 45,000 reviews, Debrox uses a 6.5% carbamide peroxide formula to gently release oxygen bubbles that break down earwax fast. It's dermatologist tested, affordable, and easy to find. Next up, Earwax MD by Eosera. This clinically tested formula uses a water-based surfactant blend that breaks down wax in as little as 15 minutes. It's a favorite for people with stubborn or impacted earwax who want fast, medical-grade results. In third place, we have A+ Health. Using the same 6.5% carbamide peroxide formula as Debrox, this one delivers great results at nearly half the price. It's simple, effective, and perfect for occasional ear maintenance. Fourth on our list is NAVEH PHARMA Ear Cleaning Drops, a gentle, natural alternative for those who prefer less irritation and more comfort. Made with purified water, glycerin, and essential minerals, it helps dissolve wax and relieve itchiness without the harsh peroxide sting. If you have sensitive ears or use earbuds frequently, this one's a great match. Rounding off our list is WaxBgone. This formula includes moisturizing glycerin to prevent dryness and irritation while dissolving earwax. It's a great option if you want an eardrop that soothes as it cleans. Here's the quick recap. For everyday use, go with Debrox. Need fast results? Earwax MD is the one. On a budget, A+ Health delivers great value. Sensitive ears? NAVEH PHARMA gives gentle relief. And for soothing hydration, choose WaxBgone. Clear ears, better comfort every time. Thanks for watching. All links are in the description below. Check them out before they're gone. Like, subscribe, and share your pick in the comments. Stay clear, stay confident,